The world's first self-healing insulation you're looking at right now. Imagine the endless possibilities of this product. If you look deep inside the cup, where I have not disturbed it yet, hopefully you can see a crystal growth that's going inside here. This is the first self-healing insulation ever been produced. If you look close inside, I'm hoping you guys can see, you should be able to see some of the crystal growth that's actually occurring inside this insulation. This is basically the same thing that I showed you earlier 10 seconds ago with the crystal growth coming out of the raw product, not as an insulation. I just showed you a little bit of the crystal growth and the formulations. Now, this is my basically my it's not my laboratory by no means. This is where I throw things together. So you're gonna see a mess in here. What we got here, this is irrelevant. This is just some of my work that we're working on. I just want to show you guys, we do have that same insulation, the cups I showed you in my earlier videos, which by the way, has all the ingredients to make this. The only thing that's missing, that's proprietary, is me. Okay, but it does work. Just don't try to make this at home. Don't run into the supermarkets. Don't go out there and buy all the products and think that you can make this by not as the other scientists or anybody else for that matter. You'll be able to actually understand where I came from with all this. And there'll be no mistaking, oh, he's doing this, he's doing something special. He went up to Mars and grabbed some soil from Mars and he's making this Martian soil. No, everything is listed. No games. But this is where it came together. I'll show more eventually. And I just wish you guys to have a great day today, and I hope this video was very entertaining for you. It is for me, and it's very exciting to work with all this stuff. Thank you.